English modal verbs in action: must, have to, and need to. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on must, have to, and need to. These verbs are often used to express obligation and necessity. To help you practice, we're going to explore some real-life scenarios and engage in some role plays. Let's get started. Before we jump into our scenarios, let's review what these modal verbs mean. Must. This is used to express something that is necessary or very important. For example, I must finish my work today. Have to. This is similar to must, and is often used to talk about obligations, often coming from an external source. For example, I have to go to the doctor tomorrow. Need to. This expresses that something is necessary, similar to must and have to. For example, I need to buy some groceries. Keep in mind, while they often can be used interchangeably, there are nuances that can change the meaning slightly. Let's start with some real-life scenarios. For each one, think about which verb to use: must, have to, or need to. 1. Scenario 1. You're reminding a friend about a meeting. 2. Possible answer: you must remember our meeting tomorrow. 3. Scenario 2. You're talking to your child about household chores. 4. Possible answer: you need to clean your room before dinner. 5. Scenario 3. You're discussing plans with a coworker. 6. Possible answer: we have to finalize the project by next week. Remember, different modal verbs might make sense in different contexts, even within the same scenario. Time to put your knowledge into practice with some role plays. Role-playing can be a fantastic way to practice English in a practical, real-life context. 1. Role play 1. You're a teacher reminding students about homework. 2. Possible sentence: you must complete your assignments on time. 3. Role play 2. You're a manager talking to an employee about a new policy. 4. Possible sentence: you have to adhere to the new company guidelines. 5. Role play 3. You're advising a friend on how to stay healthy. 6. Possible sentence: you need to eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Again, different modal verbs could work in these contexts, depending on the nuance you want to convey. That's it for today's lesson on must, have to, and need to. We've discussed these modal verbs, worked through real-life scenarios, and even acted out some role plays. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these verbs in different contexts to fully understand their usage and nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.